attempted repair video. Oh, man. Got some matting transfer there. These shingles are just too brittle to try to unseal. Trying to be as gentle as I possibly can, but I have to go 2 rows up. All right, so we've got some pretty bad matting transfer here. So we've damaged this shingle, it tore up. These shingles are delaminating. Once I try to unseal them, we've got delaminating shingle here and matting transfer there. Got matting transfer there, matting transfer there, matting transfer there, and on the upside of the shingle here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and attempt to try to remove this shingle as gently as possible here. Nail pulled through. Okay. I have to go on the second row as well. That nail pulled through. It's already caused damage to this shingle. That nail also pulled through. Pulled through nail again. Should be the last nail. Pull this shingle out. Hiding on me. Okay, this has got way more nails than expected. Okay, so as you can see, we've caused quite a bit of granular loss. Got mechanical damage here, got mechanical damage here, as well as mechanical damage here. That was just removing the damaged shingle. Now we will attempt to try to put it back in. All right, cancel the video.